Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. Today, I'm showing you how to make a mobile game in Unity, step by step, from project setup to controls. If you've ever wanted to launch your own game on Android or iOS, this is the perfect place to start. Let's dive in. First, open Unity Hub and click on New Project. Choose the All template. If you're making a simple mobile game, select 2D platform or micro game, and hit Download Template. Name it something like Mobile Game Test and hit Create. Before setting up the build for the mobile platform, let's preview the gameplay of this template. Use navigation keyboard to move and spacebar to jump. Go to File, Build Settings, choose Android if you're targeting Android phones, or iOS for iPhones, then click Switch Platform. This sets Unity to build your game for mobile. If those options gray out, you need to install them from Unity Hub. Click Add Build Profile. And install with Unity Hub. After installation complete, select platform you want to deploy and click Build button. If you're targeting Android, make sure the Android SDK and NDK are installed. For iOS, you'll need a Mac and Xcode. You can switch to Simulator for the gameplay, and choose various devices here. But the problem is, on real mobile device, we don't have keyboard to control the character. Let's add touch buttons for mobile movement. Drag sprites from Move Buttons into Project folder. Create a canvas and set it to Screen Space, Overlay. Add UI buttons for left, right, and jump. Set UI sprite for button. Active preserve aspect property. And set native size. Move to correct position. Now we add coding to buttons. Find player controller C# script in scripts folder. Add some functions as below. Create lambda function for move left, move right and jump. Inside update function, remove the block of code that use keyboard buttons, and replace with new code working for our custom touch button. Perfect. Let's test the gameplay. Now we can control character using new buttons on the screen. And that's how you make a mobile, 2D platformer game in Unity using the built-in template. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon if you want the full project files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.